Let's fix it. Open settings, click app settings, click install app. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher. In this, you have seen the left hand side three dot icon is there. Click advanced option, scroll down, reset, click repair. Sometimes it will not repair. In that case, you need to go to the task manager and end the task of the Minecraft launcher. And after that, come and repair and reset it. Once repair and reset complete after, close it. And the next method, search for run. And in this, you need to type the following text: percentage app data percentage. Click enter. Click Minecraft launcher folder. This delete the web cache folder. Click log folder. Inside files and folders available means you need to delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Once complete after, come back. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset the network. It will reinstall all your network adapters. Once complete after, restart the PC. Thank you.